Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to review two fragrances from Paris Corner. This one is Molten Caramel and this one is Date Caramel. Now both of these fragrances went pretty viral on the net. People were talking left and right about these fragrances and I just got a FOMO. I thought, okay, I'm missing out on some lovely gourmand fragrances here. So let me order it, let me try, let me see what the hype is all about. And I am here to share my review with you guys for these two fragrances so that based off my review, you can take a call whether you want to splurge on these or not. Let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. First things first, I have purchased both of these fragrances from scentopiaperfume.com. I do have a non-affiliated coupon code with them which gives you additional 5% off discount if you purchase for 200 and above. I'll leave the discount coupon details right here. I'll also leave the links to these products in the description box. The coupon code is a non-affiliated. I'm not earning a penny out of it. Feel free to use it or not use it. Okay, let's start with the packaging first. So it comes in this box. This is the box for Molten Caramel where you can see the same textured pattern of this golden box here. So it's kind of like a caramel and golden color combination which I really seem to like. पीछे की तरफ quality sticker, quality assurance sticker and some ingredients and manufacturing details. Exactly same box is for Date Caramel. Here it's kind of like a chocolate brown and golden combination. I obviously like this one better, but this is the overall packaging. Very simple cardboard boxes, minimalistic, right? I like that. Now moving on to the bottles, this is how the two bottles look like. I like how these are done. They are textured, they have lines on them and they have golden caps with some details on it. Overall, lovely packaging. The glass quality is good here, but it's very heavyweight, so a little troublesome when you're traveling with these bottles. Let's test the atomizer on this one. So this is how the atomizer is. Sprays the product really well, in good quality and diffuses the product really well. Now, if you've been a fan of Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 71, then you need to buy this one. Like, stop buying Cheirosa 71, go for this one. That's how I want to start the review for this particular one. This is one-on-one dupe of Cheirosa 71. I am someone who uses Cheirosa 71 almost on everyday basis. This is my second or third bottle for Cheirosa 71 and this perfume is a one-on-one dupe to Cheirosa 71. It literally smells the same. It is sweet, it's nutty, it's like tonic, caramel, vanilla, everything combined together to kind of make this super duper tonic gourmand fragrance. Now Cheirosa 71 is priced for 2500, 3500, somewhere in that range, whereas this one is priced for 2200 rupees and at scentopiaperfumes.com currently it is at discount and you can get this at 1750 rupees, like 1750, and you can use my discount coupon code for an additional 5% off. So I think this is a steal deal at this price with this perfume, with this quality of the gourmand fragrance that you're getting. Just go for it. Okay, now let's talk about the notes breakdown on this one. This opens up with white chocolate. White chocolate is so creamy and so buttery in this fragrance. It just gives such a nice opening to this fragrance. Then it goes into this milk and caramel and then goes into some brown sugar, praline and vanilla. Now, giving you a mental picture, just imagine that you have a glass of milk, you're pouring some sugar in that, you're pouring some vanilla essence, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, then you're pouring liquid caramel into that milk, and then you are putting the white chocolate shavings on the top or the white chocolate chips on the top of your milkshake, mixing it all together, and that's what this perfume smells like. This one is super sweet, super delectable. It literally smells edible. Like the first time I wore this and I was doing some house chores and my guy was like drooling on me. Like, he loved the scent trail that I was leaving. And he immediately came and asked, okay, what are you wearing? This is amazing. So that was the first compliment that I got. And then I wore it to office also. And there also, my girlfriends asked me what I was wearing because I was smelling so sweet and so like tonic. So some people even asked me like, did you just eat ice cream? Like we can get those vanillic ice cream wala feel, and I was like, no, 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 it's just my perfume. So it's a compliment getter. It's a gorgeous fragrance, super sweet, something that you can wear in evening and night time. During summers could be a little cloying because it's too sweet, but I wear it during summer season as well because हैदराबाद में हमेशा ही गर्मी रहती है, उतना ज़्यादा सीजन डिफरेंसेस नहीं पता चलते, तो मैं तो ये पहनती हूँ, मैं समर्स में भी पहनती हूँ, मैं ऑल ईयर अराउंड इसको. बट इफ़ यू आर टू स्पेसिफिक देन आई विल से वेयर इट इन द इवनिंग और नाइट टाइम, or wear it during rainy season and winter season. This is a very cozy, cuddly, romantic kind of a fragrance, something that works really well during intimate times, and this feels like a warm hug. Okay, it's very comforting. So on days that you're feeling low, on days that you're missing someone or you're missing your partner, just wear this perfume. You'll feel very comforting. My overall rating on this one is a whooping 10 out of 10. It performs way better than Chirosa 71. So this gives me a longevity of around 6 to 7 hours. Projection and sillage is moderate, creates a good scent bubble around me. Overall, for the price, for the scent profile, for the performance, all areas covered, my rating is a whopping 10 out of 10. Let's quickly move on to the next variant. This is Date Caramel. Now this one is again a sweet coffee caramel based fragrance, which is also warm and spicy in a way. This opens up with dates, coffee and orange, caramel, sugar and benzoin, and vanilla, amber and sandalwood. Now to explain or give you a mental picture of this particular fragrance, just imagine that you have a cup of coffee. Okay. In that cup of coffee, you have added the orange zesty flavor to make it like a flavored coffee, and then you've added some caramel, some sugar, added a hint of vanilla scoop ice cream, and then you have added some dates on top, and you mix it all together, added some nuts, and then you're having that. So this gives me a mental picture of an orange flavored coffee, which is kind of very strong and also bitter in its way. When the orange zest is meeting the coffee, it's kind of making it a little bitter in nature, and then the other notes like sugar, caramel, vanilla, they are coming out there to balance that bitterness in the coffee. This is a strong coffee dominating fragrance in my opinion, and it is not for everyone. This is not a safe blind buy. This is not for everyone. This is specifically for people who enjoy coffee fragrances and love coffee fragrances on themselves all the time. You know, there are moods when I want to wear coffee fragrance. Not every day is a coffee fragrance day for me. I don't want to smell like a barista every single day, right? I have my moods when I want to wear these fragrances. So for me, this is very kind of like a mood specific perfume. It's not for every day for me. So I will say this is not a safe blind buy. It is a strong and a potent fragrance. It performs slightly better than Molten Caramel on me. I get around 7 to 8 hours of longevity. Sillage and projection is slightly louder as compared to Molten Caramel. It's somewhere between moderate and loud depending upon the number of sprays that you go with. Again, this is something that you can wear in evening and night time. Rainy and winter season is the apt time for wearing this one. Since this is like a coffee fragrance, more like a coffee caramel based fragrance, you can also rock it during summer season and during daytime. I wore this one to office, did not get much compliments on this one. This is not like a people pleaser fragrance. You may or may not get compliments based on the person who's sniffing you, right? If they love coffee, they will love this fragrance. Otherwise, it will be a hard pass. So overall rating on this one is a 8 out of 10. This one is inspired by Lush Sticky Dates. And I have no idea about Lush Sticky Dates, but I just feel that this could have been named as coffee caramel rather than date caramel, because the date in this is not that prominent. The coffee is taking the front seat. So that's just my opinion. That's just how my nose is perceiving this fragrance. If you have some other opinion about it, do let me know in the comments section. Rating for this one is 8 out of 10, and rating for Molten Caramel is a whooping 10 out of 10. So overall, I find that these two fragrances are good. They are good gourmands and they are very unique in their own way. I love Molten Caramel much more than I love Date Caramel. This is a mood specific fragrance for me, and this is like an everyday mood for me. So that's the main difference between these two. And one more thing, these two layered together give a very beautiful gourmand fragrance. Whatever is missing out in Date Caramel, Molten Caramel fills those gaps. So these two layered together, they work really well. And for me to work around with this fragrance, I do have to kind of add like a vanilla fragrance on top to just kind of bring in more sweetness in this perfume. Now this perfume also works really well with white floral dominating fragrances, because then it gives you like a twist to the black opium DNA. So you can kind of like play around with this fragrance to kind of customize in the way that you would like it. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video. That was overall take on molten caramel and date caramel from Paris Corner. I hope that you enjoyed watching this review. If you did, hit the like button. Do let me know what is your opinion in the comments section. Paris Corner is bringing out many beautiful gourmand fragrances, so I am like really excited because I am somebody who loves sweet fragrances. So I'm very excited for the new releases for Paris Corner. If you want me to review a specific fragrance from Paris Corner which I haven't spoken about till now, do let me know in the comments section. I'll try to get my hands on it and I will try to review it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. That's it for today's video, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next one. Bye.